In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your email signature in Apollo.io. Having a polished and updated email signature can make a significant impact on your professional image. Whether it's keeping your contact information up to date or adding a personal touch with a new quote or logo, a well-crafted signature can speak volumes. So let's dive into the step-by-step process of making these changes within Apollo.io. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Apollo.io. Once you're at the home page, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find the Login button. Click on this to gain access to your Apollo account. You'll be prompted to input your credentials, so go ahead and enter your login details to proceed. Upon successfully logging in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. From here, locate the Admin Settings section. This is crucial given that we'll need to adjust settings that pertain to your account and email configurations. Clicking on Admin Settings will open up a menu with various options. Now that you're in the Admin menu, look out for the option labeled All Settings and click on it. This will allow us to delve deeper into the settings necessary for us to manipulate your email signature effectively. Remember that settings can sometimes be a little overwhelming due to the number of options presented, so take your time to navigate through each step carefully. In the Settings menu, find and click on Mailboxes. This section is where you manage the various email accounts linked to your Apollo account. Once here, the next step is to select the particular email you wish to edit the signature for. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you select the correct one to avoid making changes to the unintended email address. After choosing the appropriate email, scroll down the page. You'll eventually come across the section specific to email signatures. This is where you get creative. You can modify the content to better suit your current needs or style. Whether you're updating your job title, adding a new phone number, or putting in a different call to action, make sure your changes reflect your professional persona. Once you're satisfied with your edits, don't forget to click on Save Changes to ensure all your adjustments are stored properly. Saving these changes will apply the new signature to any outgoing emails from that particular account, so it's essential to confirm that everything looks just right before you finalize. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your email signature in Apollo.io, reflecting a more updated and personal touch. Remember, your email signature is a small yet impactful part of your branding and communication. With this tutorial, updating your signature should now be a breeze every time. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.